Welcome to the Oppo Reno 10X Zoom unbox video on YouTube.
Let's check the recommended retail price in Australian dollars.
I love the Australian currency, so colorful.
$1,199.
We'll take a look at the outside of the box.
How exciting. We're going to see how much it weighs with the packaging.
662 grams, or roughly 23.35 ounces for those who couldn't be bothered to follow the rest of the world.
We're going to take a look inside. This looks like a pamphlet with instructions and also warranty guide.
That's our phone cover. Hopefully there's a smartphone in there.
Yes, indeed. I can see something in there that looks like a smartphone.
That looks like to power on button. Maybe the green part will light up.
Let's remove the cover.
.6 inches. I think Tankati means from bottom left corner to top right corner.
That's indeed the power button. You were right.
Woohoo! Let's take a look at the back of the phone. That looks like the O dot, and there are 3 cameras.
The top button, or the one to the right, is volume up, and the other button is volume down.
Wow, a pop-up selfie camera. Cool.
And there's the microphone. We can't really see it, but it's there.
There's the speakers.
We also have another microphone.
That's the USB-C port to charge our phone.
We have the SIM tray, and then we have the SIM tool hole.
All right, time to see how much this beast weighs without the packaging.
214 grams.
I wonder what else we have in the box.
That's just plastic. Nothing too exciting there.
Ooh, that's our phone case and also the charger cable.
Nice.
That's the earphones at the top, or earplugs, whatever you want to call them, and there's the wall charger.
Let's take a look at the earphones.
Nice earplugs, earphones.
And now we have the charger cable, USB to USB-C.
And finally, we have the SIM tool. Can you imagine losing one of these and you have to replace the SIM card?
Been there, done that. You can just use a sewing needle.
Really? I haven't sewn in 100 years.
Are you even 100 years old?
Not quite, but I am getting there.
Shall we take a look at the recap of the items in the box?
Of course, let's do it. First, we have the box and the lid.
And then we have the plastic tray.
You sound so excited. Next up, we have the earphones.
And at number 4, we have the SIM tool.
And then we got the Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Don't leave home without it.
And then there's the plastic sleeve.
Next up, we have the phone case with a bit of hard paper.
And then there's the warranty card.
There's the recycling guide. Please find an e-waste drop-off point and don't throw smartphones in the trash or recycling bin.
And then we have the product guide.
Then we got the charger cable.
At number 12, we have the wall charger.
And finally, we have the paper holder that had the warranty card, recycling guide, and product guide.
Let's do the charger test.
This is the moment of truth. Will this work?
Looks promising to me. There's a lightning symbol there.
71% fresh from the box? It should be 100%. We should call customer service.
Let's do a power on test. Second moment of truth.